if you are looking for some spring and summer cleaning and organization in your life, this video is for you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how I cleaned out and organized half of my room, because to be honest it's not fully done and I only show you half of the room in the video, but it's all of my clothes. It is a lot of my closet space, a lot of places that I just have like random things that I use, jewelry, all that good stuff. So I do this every season and I don't do it all in one day. A lot of YouTubers that I watch, they do a full cleaning all in one day. For me, I just can't do that, so I spread it out into different days. So one day I do clothes. Actually, I think I did 2 days of clothes because I just couldn't do it all at once. And you will see that I use some techniques of, wait, her name is Marie Kondo? Wait, let me look this up really quick. Marie Kondo. The KonMari method. I actually read the book. Oh my gosh. Okay. The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up. I read this book maybe like 3 or 4 years ago, and I was really inspired. And then I saw that she came out with a Netflix series, and I watched that series recently, and then I was even more inspired. So I do this every season, as I said, and although I don't demonstrate great how the style of what she works, and I don't do it exactly to what the book says, or how the Netflix series went, I still was inspired, and I think that's the point of the book. So I could link down below some of the inspiration that I got to do these cleanings. Another thing you might see in my video, which you might think is kind of strange, I use these masks. What are these called? I don't know what these are called, but I got it at CVS, and basically I'm highly allergic to dust. And this is the only thing that makes me not cough when I'm cleaning. So even if it's a little bit of dust, I get itchy and and it's also good for like when you're spraying cleaning detergent, so you don't have to smell everything. And my camera just shut off because the memory is full. So what that means to me is that let me stop talking and let's get to the video. Alright, so as you can see, my drawers here are fully packed, and the first thing I'm going to do is take all of these clothes, dump them in the middle of the floor, and then I'm going to start looking through them. And my bottom 2 drawers are broken, so kind of struggling with that. What I'm doing here is taking my time looking at each individual item, and if it sparks joy, I am putting it in my keep pile. If not, I'm thanking the item and I'm putting it in the donation pile, and that is straight from the book of Marie Kondo's, and I really like this method. So in Marie's book and her videos, she also shows a way how to fold each item so you could have them standing up in your drawers, and you can now find everything you need, unlike the big mess I showed in the beginning. And I don't have any demonstrations here, but I could link other videos of how to exactly fold each individual item. I'm doing the same thing here, and it just looks so much neater and more organized this way. I really love it so much. I'm so happy with how it came out. This is where I keep all of my bodysuits and crop tops, so it was a little more challenging trying to figure out how to fold these in the Marie Kondo style, but Kondo, not Congo, Kondo style. But I figured it out and it came out really nice and neat. Definitely needed to tie my hair back on this part. So now I'm going to look through all of my clothes in the closet. I'm taking each item individually out and then looking again if it sparks joy or if I want to donate it. Pardon the interruption. I am currently editing this video on my computer here, and I accidentally deleted an entire section of the cleaning video. Cannot find the files, and it is the part where I clean my shoes, and I work really hard organizing that part. So yeah, I'm pretty upset, but this is already almost 15 minutes, this video, so I think it'll be okay. Just wanted to let you guys know that. And now for my storage shelves, which I've been shoving things for months in there. And I started by looking through my items, and I put a box at the bottom by my feet, and I'm just looking through all my lotions and creams and seeing what's good, what's not good, and putting the ones that I don't want in that box. And of course, cleaning out the shelves with a wipe, cleaning off all the dust, and then stacking what I want back in. I don't know where to put these Christmas socks that you will see, these fuzzy Christmas socks, but I like them, so I just lied them there. Next is my furniture, which I have a lot of stuff, a lot of random stuff, and especially those envelopes of papers and mail and checks and stuff I need to look through. A lot of jewelry. I don't know about you guys, but I always have so much mail to catch up on, and then I never know what to keep, so I get really indecisive. And now I'm just looking through all of these papers, seeing what I need to throw out, seeing what I need to keep. Next, I'm taking apart all of my jewelry. I realized I don't wear half of this stuff, so I definitely made a big pile of jewelry that I'm donating, and I put it in this little plastic baggie. Next to organize is this little section next to my bed where I keep tea, my cough drops, books, all different things, pens. So I'm just keeping out the book that I'm currently reading before I go to bed some nights, and wiping down these little tables, and then just organizing these books that are on the side there so they look nice and neat and appealing. Here is the finished product of my shoe section, and I'm going to show you a few clips of the other sections. This part, as I mentioned before, got deleted unfortunately, but here is the finished product, and it's, to me, appealing to look at. Thank you guys for watching. I really enjoyed making this video. It was very different. And if you want more videos like this, I don't know if I'll have time to make them, but you can let me know. Bye.